students, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to discuss three very important modal verbs which are often called the helping verbs: should, ought to and must. These three helping verbs are used for emphasize. When we emphasize something, when we stress something to do, we use these three modal verbs: should, ought to and must. But there is a distinct difference between the use of these three modal verbs, and today in this video we are going to discuss the difference between the use of must, ought to and should. So let's see the demonstration in this video. First we will discuss should. Where to use should? As we know that should is also used for emphasize. When we emphasize to do something, we use should. But where to use it? When we are giving some advice, when we are giving some reasons to do something, when we seek best option to do something, we use should. So these are the reasons for using should in your sentences. Let's have an example. They should take a cab to reach home. They should take a cab to reach home. It means someone is emphasizing some other person to do something and using should for that. They should take a cab to reach home. It may be some advice. It may be the option which is giving to you, giving someone. What should I do now? Here again there is some reasons, asking some reasons to do something. So we see how should is used for seeking best option, for giving advice and giving reasons. And there is the emphasization of to do something. Now let's come to ought to. Ought to is also used to emphasize something, but there is a difference between should and ought to. And what is the difference? Ought to is used in place of should when there is something moral obligation behind that working, when there is some moral obligation to do something. Let's have an example. You are to respect your elders. You see, to respect the elders is a moral obligation rather than any other thing. It is not a legal or lawful idea, but it is just a moral obligation. That's why you are to respect your elders. It means it is your moral duty to respect your elders, not a law. Let's have another example. She ought to follow the traffic rules. It is also a law to follow the traffic rules, but it is our moral obligation as well. When we are talking in the sense of moral obligation, we use ought to in place of should. So she ought to follow the traffic rules. It means it is her moral duty to follow the traffic rules. Now let's come to words must. Must is also used to emphasize, but when the emphasization is compulsion and necessity, when to do something is very compulsory, we use must. When to do something is very necessary, we use must. Let's have another example. One must not talk in the library. One must not talk in the library. It means talking in the library is not very good. So one must be silent because it can disturb the others who are sitting in the library or reading something. You must take a break from studies. You must take a break from study. It means it is very necessary for you to have a break in the studies because it can harm your health, and it has become very necessary for you to have a break during your studies. So we see how the use of should, ought to and must is different, but slightly different. When there is something like advice or reason, we use should. And when there is something moral obligation, we use ought to. And when there is something very necessary or something a compulsion for us, we use must. So that was the difference between these three modal verbs which are used to emphasize. Thank you.